Flora Farms is a 25-acre organic farm that was founded by two Californian farmers in the 90s. It is located in San Jose del Cabo, and it was hands down our favorite place we went to during our trip to Cabo. Flora Farms started off small, but now this property boasts a restaurant, farm, spa, an event space, and even more. This idyllic farm is the perfect location to spend a few hours during your stay in Cabo. There is a short dirt road that leads to the farm, but our small rental car was able to make it with no problems. We wanted the most out of our Flora Farms experience, so we decided to take a cooking class, and it surpassed all our expectations. The entire experience took around 3 hours and included a farm tour, lunch, a delicious drink, and of course a first row seat in learning to make some of the most staple Mexican dishes. The staff were so nice and knowledgeable, they really made this experience special.
The mesquite wood that you can see behind you there. And the mesquite wood is a very local wood in the...
So the first part of the cooking class is actually a farm tour, and that lasted like 30 minutes. It was really cool. We get to walk into these areas where I don't think you can walk if you're just like a guest, but super cool. Mango trees. Oh, is this for chickens?
Yeah, it's a chicken
That's
house.
so cute. And now we're gonna start our cooking class.
Yeah, but definitely recommend the tour because you have no idea what's going on until they give you a tour. And
Yeah.
I think I learned a lot. And that was
Oh
really
yeah,
fun.
I learned a lot.
Yeah.
A lot about the owners, the history of this 25-acre farm.
Huh? Look at this bird.
But now I'm getting hungry.
So I'm gonna give you, just to start right now, if Remedios say it's not spicy, don't believe her, okay? Between us.
Cajete and Remedios will start crushing to make a paste.
Oh yeah.
I love you guys. Thank you. No, I like that. I don't know, I feel I have something good too. Looking kind of sad, kind of dark. We use the stems and all. Stems are great. Fold the little thing into a taquito and place it in the cutting board. Tuck your fingers, tuck your thumb, don't cut yourself, it's very painful. And we're gonna go over the cilantro just once. And we have to stop and reorganize as many times as we need. And remember, we want happy cilantro and not perfectly small cilantro. This is a good amount. And look how fluffy and happy my cilantro is.
Muy bien.
All right?
Have you seen the one on the plane?
Smash?
Can I get it?
Yeah, that's where it's. Would you like that? We should do a tripod video of us tasting it.
Happy, happy.
Because I did the
Tell us what you think.
in your salsa. Okay, hold your salsa though.
And you are more than welcome. Everybody is more than welcome to taste Remedios salsa.
Oh,
Yeah, go
Yours
for
better?
it. I mean, taste it. So she's very good and she can balance flavors really well.
No, try mine. Try mine.
That's good. Sure. Spicy?
What's your mom?
I mean, today she's in a good mood. If she's angry, her salsas are like just smoke and fire out of your ears. But today she's happy today. Yeah.
I regret that.
right here?
Yes.
Incision?
Half?
No, no,
Así, así.
you this stuff.
Oh, right here.
And you're gonna stop. Done all the way.
Oh, okay.
Right there. Now, flat the board, and you will follow this guy from the steam. So you need to follow the guy around.
We had picked.
Just practice, but it's good.
the young sprigs and just the leaves, as I just said, because the stem is too woody. Besides the rosemary, we are gonna add a clove of garlic. Crush these ingredients. Yeah, go with the avocados. Avocados, we love avocados gently, gently. Like this. We twist, and there, the pure beauty.
Wow.
To use a grinder. I don't know if it's on the machine. So, but just careful, just ask for the nixtamal ma.
Oh no.
Ready to finally eat?
Yeah, I'm starved.
So we got some seafood fish tacos here. We made this salsa. They made that guac.
Yeah, we made.
that. We made this pico de gallo.
Where's my salsa?
Your salsa's right here.
Alright, give me my salsa.
And then we got that salad. This is the farmerita drink. Got some chips. Look at the spread. We made so much food, we took the leftovers back to our hotel, and they even provided us with a booklet that had recipes for everything we made. The price for this class was $115 USD per person.